viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are back in Germany and we are near Affalterbach because we are there for the 20 years of Private Lounge Insights event. So join us and let's see what fun we're going to have. So in the car park, obviously mine, but look at this beauty. This is Jules. Jules, say hello.
Hey, this is me. Ciao Shane, ciao everyone.
This is Jules' amazing CLK 55 convertible. As you know, I do like a 55 AMG myself. This is a superb condition. Yeah, this brings back memories, man. I used to love the way the dash curves, you know, the center console curves down.
And it has the original dark green maple.
Yeah.
It's actually an avant-garde, 100%.
Yeah, and two others that are joining us on the experience, the 20th anniversary of the Private Lounge. So this is Lucas, GRA, and this is Dijon. Say hi to the camera, Jules. Hey. You like being on the camera, don't you?
It's Sweden, it's UK and USA, right? That was meant, right? So that is just speaking for itself. It's the world's fastest family, right? So what we've done throughout the years actually started with the last country I've mentioned. So like Matthew, for example, is coming from the US, and that's where it all started. So the Private Lounge is actually the base that you have laid. You as our customers, you as the backbone of any company, because without customers we're nothing, right? And this is the world's fastest family, so we don't call you customers, you're family members, right? So that's what all started in the US, with the first gatherings, with the first idea actually. Just think back, 2006.
Instead of this nice thing here, up there, this is the German highway. So for the Private Lounge days, since 5 years we are heading on the German highway, and perhaps you know the German highway. And what is so special about the German highways? Construction works everywhere. No, I'm joking. So basically, traffic jam. No, this is a good stint. I promise you. And there is a changing point in the middle. So more or less, we can drive as fast as we want. We have over 208 kilometers, which is roughly 140 miles. So it's a long distance. The duration is just really the driving part. So in total, we have over 6 hours of really driving.
All this time I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time
time they see me, they in G-Shock. Homie, this is too far. Homie, I feel too alive. You can see me like Illuminati. You can see me like Illuminati. But I'm shining so bright, so bright. Don't come and try to shed some of this light, no. Give me a beat and I control it like a maestro. Ladies on a mission, they be trying to get me wiped up. Shawty, wait a minute, can't tell if I like ya. Gotta make sure you know how to shake it like a bartender. Team with me and they all winners. And you know we ballin' all winter, all summer. Jewelry around my neck is lightning, but I'm all thunder. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it, yeah. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Keep coming with it. Place your bets on us. Get your money and flip it. Bring a friend and come along. Don't be taking too long. The vibe's too strong. If you don't know how to move, then we moving on. Ain't no way rhythmic feet up in this place. If you can't catch the feeling, then get out the way. I've been reeling and fish from the lake. They keep saying I'm down to earth, but I'm really out of space. All these women aliens, super foreign, so exotic. Hop in the Mercedes Benz, and I got them crushing like ice pouring the bub. It's overflowing on us. You drop it, then pick it up. I think I'm falling in love, but shawty, this isn't what you probably thinking it was. It's a vibe out, cooling it for the weekend and such. You gon' find out once you come